Hi guys, your boy Aquinas Padre, the crypto guy. How we are doing for the Supreme YouTube channel. Metamask has actually launched a bridge function that you can now make your bridge on Metamask to order from one network to another network. So today I want to make a quick video. I'm going to be walking you through how you can make this bridge on Metamask to bridge from Binance Smart Chain to the Polygon network. So we are going to be making this bridge from the Binance Smart Chain network. I'll be swapping my USDT to Polygon network. So very quickly, let's go to the bridge website. Before you do this, now as I'm swapping from Binance Smart Chain, you need some BNB for fees. All right, and also know that if you swap to Polygon, you might need some Polygon for fees if you want to swap back as well. So get yourself ready. So I'm going to click on connect here to connect to my wallet. Click here to go to my MetaMask extension. All right, so I'm going to approve this transaction so that I can sign in my MetaMask. First of all, let me put my password. All right, so now we are connected. So I'm bridging from Binance. All right, so here we are. So this I'm swapping from Binance Smart Chain network. So I'm going to switch to Binance Smart Chain network, BNB. All right, I will need to go to my browser to switch the network. So click on this place. We click here to go to MetaMask extension. If you are not familiar with Yandex, you can watch my previous video on that. So I'll click on MetaMask here, and then I'll switch my network from Polygon from Matic to Binance Smart Chain network. So let's scroll down. Let me show you. If you don't have the Binance Smart Chain network, you can add it through Chainlist. All right, watch my previous video on how to add MetaMask extension. You should see that. So it's not the test net, it's the mainnet. This is the mainnet network, Binance Smart Chain mainnet. So I'm going to I've connected to the so I've connected here. All right, so click on this connection again. All right, so we're on Binance Smart Chain network. So you can see my network is on Binance Smart Chain. Then I'll select the network I'm sending to. I want to send to Polygon, so I'm going to select Polygon here. All right, so now in this box you select the token that you want to swap. In this box you select the token you want to swap. So I'm going to select it is USDC. This is what I'm swapping, USDC, and then the amount. You enter the amount here. So me, I'm swapping everything, so I'll click on max. So I'm swapping 132 USDC from my BNBs, from my Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. All right, so it's going to be making use of the C bridge, and I'm going to be paying $0.3 in gas fees. So I'm going to approve. Click on this approve now, and then I will need to approve it on my browse on my this thing. I need to approve this on my wallet. Okay, so go to my wallet now to approve it. Why is this thing delaying me like this? So this is where you click to approve. Let me show you guys step by step how to go to your wallet. This three dotted lines here, then you go to extension. This is extension here. This extension here. That's where to go to check your wallet. So this is my MetaMask. All right, so when it comes up now, I can now approve the transaction. So this is what you're paying in gas fee, $0.07. So approve, then you can now swap. So approving, you can see it's approving. One thing I actually like about this bridge is it's fast. The last one I tried was fast. Okay, very, very fast. All right, so the USDC is approved now. So now we cannot once it's approved, now you cannot submit transaction. All right, you cannot submit transaction. So I click on submit transaction. I'm gonna pay $0.3 in 3 cents, $3 in gas fee. So I need to go to my extension again to approve this one again. So confirm. So I've signed the transaction. So I'm gonna go back here and see. So the time it will take is 3 minutes. That's it. It take like 3 minutes, but I know it's going to be less. It won't actually be up to 3 minutes. These guys are pretty fast. They know what they are doing. All right, now I need to switch your network to see your funds in your wallet. So I need to switch to Polygon network to see. I need to switch to Polygon network then to see my funds. So I'll click on switch. Now I'll go to my Metamask again to switch my network from Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. All right, you can see. So I'll click on switch. Then automatic. Let me see if it has come. All right, it has not come yet. USDC is USDT. So if it comes, I'm going to see here. So I'm going to wait for it. Okay, let's connect our Metamask again to this website. Because we switched network, because we switched to Polygon, it's asking me to connect as well. All right, so let's see. So it has not arrived yet. Once it arrives, you're going to see your network in your token in USDT. So I'm going to pause this video and then come back to it once it's done. Okay. All right. Blah blah blah. All right. So my USDT is here now. So you can see all is done. So that's all you need to do. All right. So that's all. I've heard rumors that the MetaMask are going to be doing airdrop, and in the future. So I came across this tweet by Olympus. What's the name? Olympia. Okay. Metamask launch Bridge, also a Google phone to be a testnet validator in the ZK EMV solution. Also, you can really read this, and I will drop the link to this tweet so you can check it out. All right. So this is the airdrop strategy. He says so. Using the MetaMask bridge could make you eligible. It could be one of the conditions. Who knows? So it's another opportunity for you to interact with your MetaMask. They also have inbuilt swap function that you can be using from time to time. Let me show you the inbuilt swap functions here. I've used it before, right? So okay, so see, this is the swap function here. You can use this to make a swap as well. On this you can see I can select my USDC, for instance. I can swap it to Matic if I want, using this feature. So you can see if I want to swap now, this is the value I'll get, 121 Matic. Alright, so that's it. It's your boy Aquinas Padre. So crypto guy, do have an amazing day ahead. If you like this video gives you value, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps a lot for the algorithm. Thank you very much.